Welcome back, crypto enthusiasts. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: Fantom FTM coin, an innovative blockchain platform that is taking the crypto world by storm. In this video from cryptowichard, we'll dive deep into everything you need to know about Fantom. But before we dive in, make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to get updates every time we upload a new video. So, grab a cup of coffee and let's get started. Introduction to Fantom. Fantom is a cutting-edge blockchain platform that sets itself apart from traditional blockchain networks by offering high-speed and scalable solutions for decentralized applications, DApps, and smart contracts. It was created to address the challenges faced by other blockchain platforms, such as slow transaction speeds and high fees. Fantom aims to revolutionize the way blockchain technology is used and open up a new realm of possibilities. Fantom leverages a unique consensus mechanism called lachesis. This mechanism combines the benefits of both directed acyclic graph (DAG) and classical blockchain technologies. By using lachesis, Fantom achieves near-instant transaction finality and high throughput, enabling thousands of transactions per second. This speed and scalability make Fantom a highly efficient and practical solution for real-world applications. Another key aspect of Fantom is its focus on security and efficiency. The platform utilizes a Byzantine fault-tolerant (BFT) consensus mechanism, which ensures the integrity and security of the network. Participants in the network can stake their FTM coins to help secure the network and validate transactions, earning rewards in return. One of the standout features of Fantom is its interoperability. The platform aims to foster seamless integration and communication with other blockchain networks, enabling the transfer and sharing of data and assets across different platforms. This interoperability opens up new possibilities for collaboration and the creation of complex decentralized applications. Fantom has gained significant traction in the decentralized finance (DeFi) space. Various DeFi applications, including decentralized exchanges, DEXs, lending platforms, and yield farming protocols, have been built on the Fantom network. These applications provide users with the ability to trade assets, earn passive income, and participate in various financial activities with low fees and fast transaction speeds. Fantom has attracted attention from governments and enterprises due to its scalability and security features. Several partnerships have been established, with Fantom working on solutions for supply chain management, data integrity, and identity verification. These collaborations highlight the platform's potential to revolutionize not only the crypto space but also various industries. Fantom is a next-generation blockchain platform that offers high-speed and scalable solutions for decentralized applications and smart contracts. Its unique consensus mechanism, lachesis, enables near-instant transaction finality and high throughput. With a focus on security, efficiency, and interoperability, Fantom has gained significant traction in the DeFi space and formed partnerships with governments and enterprises. It is poised to shape the future of blockchain technology and unlock new possibilities for innovation and collaboration. Key features of Fantom. One of the key advantages of Fantom is its remarkable speed and scalability. This is made possible through its unique consensus mechanism known as lachesis. Lachesis combines the best features of both directed acyclic graph (DAG) and classical blockchain technologies, resulting in a highly efficient and robust system. Lachesis is a groundbreaking innovation. It allows Fantom to achieve near-instant transaction finality, meaning that once a transaction is confirmed, it cannot be reversed. This provides a high level of security and eliminates the need for additional confirmations, significantly reducing transaction times. Fantom's implementation of lachesis enables the network to handle an impressive number of transactions per second, reaching speeds of up to thousands of transactions. This high throughput is crucial for supporting real-world applications that require fast and seamless transactions. The combination of near-instant finality and high throughput positions Fantom as a highly scalable blockchain platform. It can handle a substantial volume of transactions without experiencing congestion or delays, making it suitable for various use cases, including decentralized finance, supply chain management, and more. Fantom's scalability extends beyond transaction processing. The platform is designed to scale horizontally, meaning that as the network grows, It can handle an increasing number of nodes and transactions without sacrificing performance or security. This scalability is essential in the context of blockchain adoption. As more users and applications join the network, it's crucial to have a scalable infrastructure to ensure that the system can handle the increased demand. Fantom's ability to scale effectively positions it as a promising platform for future blockchain applications. The combination of lack-assist, near-instant finality, and high throughput sets Fantom apart from many other blockchain platforms. It provides users with an efficient and seamless experience, where transactions are confirmed quickly and reliably. Fantom's speed and scalability make it an attractive choice for developers and users alike. With its impressive transaction speeds and the ability to handle a significant volume of transactions, Fantom paves the way for the adoption of blockchain technology in various industries. Whether it's facilitating fast and low-cost transactions for financial applications or supporting complex supply chain management systems, Fantom's speed and scalability make it a powerful platform that is poised to revolutionize the way we interact with decentralized applications and smart contracts. The speed and scalability of Fantom provide a solid foundation for its future growth and adoption. As the demand for efficient blockchain solutions continues to rise, Fantom's ability to deliver fast, secure, and scalable transactions positions it as a leading player in the blockchain space. Security and efficiency are crucial aspects of any blockchain platform, and Fantom excels in both areas. Let's dive deeper into Fantom's security measures and its efficient staking mechanism. Fantom employs a Byzantine fault-tolerant (BFT) consensus mechanism, which ensures the security and integrity of the network. In a BFT system, nodes work together to reach consensus on the validity of transactions, even in the presence of malicious actors or network failures. This fault tolerance makes Fantom highly resistant to attacks and ensures the reliability of the platform. The BFT consensus mechanism not only provides security but also contributes to the efficiency of the network. By eliminating the need for resource-intensive mining processes, Fantom achieves a more energy-efficient and environmentally friendly blockchain solution. The absence of mining and the reliance on BFT consensus result in lower energy consumption and reduced costs, making Fantom an environmentally sustainable and cost-effective choice. Fantom's native cryptocurrency, FTM, implements a staking mechanism. Participants in the network have the opportunity to stake their FTM coins and become validators. By staking their tokens, these validators secure the network and actively participate in the consensus process. What's interesting about Fantom's staking mechanism is that participants are rewarded for their contribution to the network's security and validation of transactions. Validators earn additional FTM coins as incentives, creating an attractive opportunity for token holders to actively participate in the network and earn rewards. The staking mechanism not only enhances the security of the network by incentivizing active participation but also promotes decentralization. It allows token holders to have a say in the network's governance and decision-making processes, making Fantom a community-driven blockchain platform. This community-driven approach not only strengthens the security and efficiency of Fantom but also fosters a sense of ownership and engagement among token holders. It aligns the interests of participants with the success and growth of the network. The combination of the BFT consensus mechanism and the staking mechanism establishes Fantom as a secure and efficient blockchain platform. It provides a robust security infrastructure while incentivizing active participation and engagement from token holders. Fantom's commitment to security and efficiency ensures that users can trust the platform with their transactions and data, while also benefiting from the rewards provided through staking. It creates a win-win situation for all participants in the network. With its strong security measures, efficient consensus mechanism, and rewarding staking opportunities, Fantom sets a high standard for secure and efficient blockchain platforms. These features make Fantom an attractive choice for developers and users seeking a reliable and sustainable blockchain solution. The combination of security, efficiency, and incentives makes Fantom well positioned for widespread adoption in various industries and applications. It offers a solid foundation for the development of decentralized applications and the integration of blockchain technology into real-world use cases. The security and efficiency provided by Fantom's BFT consensus mechanism and staking mechanism make it a trustworthy and robust platform. These features not only safeguard user transactions and data but also promote active participation and engagement within the network. It's clear that Fantom is paving the way for a secure and efficient future in the blockchain space. Use cases and partnerships. Decentralized finance, or DeFi, has emerged as one of the most exciting and rapidly growing sectors in the blockchain space. Fantom has positioned itself as a prominent player in the DeFi ecosystem, attracting significant traction and development within this field. Fantom's high-speed and scalable infrastructure, coupled with its low transaction fees, make it an ideal platform for various DeFi applications. On the Fantom network, we find a range of decentralized exchanges, DEXs, lending platforms, and yield farming protocols. These DeFi applications built on Fantom offer users a wide range of financial opportunities. Let's explore some of the key features and benefits they provide. One of the primary advantages is the ability to trade assets on decentralized exchanges. These DEXs on Fantom allow users to swap tokens directly with one another, without relying on intermediaries or centralized exchanges. This peer-to-peer trading mechanism provides increased transparency, security, and control over assets. By removing intermediaries and implementing decentralized exchanges, Fantom enables users to maintain custody of their assets throughout the trading process, reducing the risk of hacks or third-party mishandling. Fantom's fast transaction speeds ensure that trades are executed swiftly, minimizing slippage and enabling users to take advantage of market opportunities in real time. Alongside decentralized exchanges, lending platforms on Fantom allow users to borrow and lend assets in a peer-to-peer manner. This opens up possibilities for individuals to access liquidity or earn interest on their assets without relying on traditional financial intermediaries. Users can collateralize their assets and borrow other assets against them, or lend their assets to earn passive income through interest payments. Fantom's efficient infrastructure ensures that lending and borrowing operations are executed quickly and at a fraction of the cost compared to traditional financial systems. The low fees on Fantom make it particularly appealing for smaller scale transactions and activities that might otherwise be hindered by high transaction costs on other blockchain platforms. The low fees, coupled with fast transaction speeds, create an environment conducive to frequent and cost-effective trading, lending, and borrowing activities. Another exciting feature of Fantom's DeFi ecosystem is yield farming. Yield farming protocols allow users to lock up their assets in liquidity pools to provide liquidity to decentralized exchanges or lending platforms. In return, they earn rewards in the form of additional tokens or fees. Yield farming has become a popular way for users to maximize their returns on their crypto assets. Fantom's DeFi ecosystem provides various yield farming opportunities, allowing users to participate in different protocols and earn rewards by contributing to the network's liquidity. Fantom's DeFi offerings provide users with the ability to trade assets, borrow and lend, and participate in yield farming, all with the benefits of low fees, fast transaction speeds, and increased control over their assets. This accessibility and efficiency make Fantom an attractive platform for DeFi enthusiasts. The DeFi space has seen tremendous growth, and Fantom's presence in this sector highlights its potential to transform the traditional financial landscape. With its high-speed infrastructure and user-friendly DeFi applications, Fantom is playing a vital role in shaping the future of decentralized finance. Fantom's contributions to the DeFi ecosystem exemplify the platform's versatility and commitment to providing innovative solutions for financial applications. As the DeFi space continues to evolve, Fantom's presence and impact are expected to grow, benefiting users and developers alike. Fantom's appeal extends beyond the realm of decentralized finance. Its scalability and security features have captured the interest of governments and enterprises looking to harness the power of blockchain technology in various domains. Fantom has entered into partnerships with governments and enterprises to explore and develop solutions for supply chain management, data integrity, and identity verification. These collaborations aim to leverage the unique features of Fantom's blockchain platform to improve transparency, efficiency, and security in these critical areas. Starting with supply chain management, Fantom's blockchain can provide an immutable and transparent ledger that tracks the movement of goods and ensures their authenticity. By integrating blockchain technology, supply chains can become more efficient, secure, and resistant to fraud or tampering. By utilizing Fantom's blockchain for supply chain management, businesses can enhance traceability, reduce counterfeit products, and streamline the entire process. This not only improves efficiency but also instills greater trust among consumers and stakeholders. Fantom's blockchain can serve as a robust and reliable solution for storing and verifying data. By leveraging the decentralized and immutable nature of blockchain technology, data integrity can be ensured, preventing unauthorized modifications or tampering. Data integrity is a critical concern for governments and enterprises, particularly in industries such as healthcare, finance, and legal. By adopting Fantom's blockchain, these entities can enhance the security and trustworthiness of their data, ensuring its accuracy and integrity. Fantom's blockchain can make a significant impact. With its decentralized and secure infrastructure, Fantom provides a framework for digital identity verification that is resistant to fraud and identity theft. Fantom's blockchain can enable individuals to have control over their own digital identities, securely storing personal information and allowing for secure and efficient verification processes. This can have profound implications in areas such as financial services, government services, and online authentication. The partnerships and collaborations Fantom has formed with governments and enterprises demonstrate the platform's potential to transform various industries. By leveraging the scalability, security, and efficiency of Fantom's blockchain, these entities can unlock new levels of transparency, reliability, and operational efficiency. The interest from governments and enterprises showcases the recognition of Fantom's capabilities and its potential to revolutionize existing systems. By providing innovative solutions for supply chain management, data integrity, and identity verification, Fantom is at the forefront of blockchain adoption in these sectors. Fantom's ability to address the unique challenges faced by governments and enterprises further solidifies its position as a versatile and practical blockchain platform. By collaborating with these entities, Fantom is bridging the gap between traditional industries and the benefits of blockchain technology. Fantom's partnerships and initiatives in government and enterprise adoption highlight its commitment to real-world impact and the potential for blockchain technology to drive meaningful change across sectors. The adoption of Fantom by governments and enterprises signifies the growing recognition of its capabilities and the value it can bring to these domains. With its scalable and secure infrastructure, Fantom is well positioned to facilitate the digital transformation of industries and provide innovative solutions to address critical challenges. As Fantom continues to collaborate with governments and enterprises, we can expect to see more tangible applications and use cases that showcase the transformative power of blockchain technology. It's an exciting time for Fantom and the broader blockchain ecosystem as we witness its integration into the fabric of various industries. Investment potential and future outlook. Fantom's market performance has been notable. It's important to approach cryptocurrency investments with caution and conduct thorough research. Investing in cryptocurrencies, including Fantom's native cryptocurrency FTM, comes with inherent risks that need to be carefully considered. Cryptocurrencies are known for their volatility, and their prices can fluctuate significantly within short periods. It's crucial for investors to understand that the value of cryptocurrencies, including FTM, can be subject to rapid and unpredictable changes. The cryptocurrency market is highly speculative, and factors such as market sentiment, regulatory developments, and technological advancements can influence price movements. Investors should be prepared for potential price volatility and be able to handle the associated risks. It's important to note that investing in cryptocurrencies carries inherent risks such as the possibility of losing the entire investment. The crypto market is still relatively young and less regulated compared to traditional financial markets, which can contribute to increased risk. Investors should be aware that the value of their investments in cryptocurrencies can be affected by factors beyond their control, including market conditions, technological vulnerabilities, and regulatory changes. That's why it's crucial to conduct thorough research and due diligence before making any investment decisions. It's advisable to understand the fundamentals of the cryptocurrency, its use cases, team, partnerships, and the overall market dynamics. Investors should consider their risk tolerance and financial situation before investing in cryptocurrencies. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this video informative. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more trading videos and hit the bell icon to be notified when I upload new content.